This is the DataTile cross-tabulation and charting interface. Very simple to use, very intuitive. I'll just take you through at the top level how to run a crosstab and how to run a chart. On the left-hand side, we can see all the variables from the survey. All these have been set up by the user. If you want to change the appearance of these variables, you can do so in the Settings tab. But let's go ahead and run a simple cross-tabulation. So we'll take gender and age. Run the data. And as you can see here, we've got a very simple cross-tabulation. Because the sample excludes respondents under the age of 25, we'll get rid of that group. And the same goes for 65 plus and also the refused group. Run the table again. On this row here, you can see all the different statistics that you can include in your cross-tabulation. So let's go through and put in sample count and also thousands. We can also put in horizontal percentage, we can put in various base calculations, we can put in averages, affinity index, and also if we're using brand product volume data, we can put in share of voice information as well. Simply unclick statistics that are not required. We can also put in a filter. So let's take the married with children group, put them into the filter here. We can use the expression builder to put in various logical calculations. So if we take another group here, let's take this group, take it across, and we can put in or condition, not condition. We can put in and condition. So very easy to build different logical expressions in the software. We can also take the data through to charting. There's a whole range of charts available. Show data labels. We can put in totals by column and by row. Let's include column totals. Go back into charting. Look at line charts. We can also look at top variables. In this case, we'll put in the top 7. We can do significance tests, which we can set up. We can also run grids if we want to run entire questions. I'll show you some examples of those. Take a grid example here. So what we've got here, we built a grid from the question, have you seen Animal Planet past 30 days? Run it against these various media options on the left-hand side. We're looking at every day, almost every day, 4 to 5 days a week, 2 to 3 days a week, 1 day a week, less often, refuse, don't know. Calculate the table. And you can also see here that we have the different age demographics that we've set up in the filter. We can simply unclick the definitions that we don't want to see. Here's another grid for top channels. This is looking at top channels, 1-day reach, 7-day reach, 30-day reach, and so forth. If you want to reverse the ranking, we simply click it, and the whole table is re-ranked. We mentioned significance tests previously. Here's an example of a significance test where we've color-coded significance around a particular value. We can generate averages. And here again we have a simple crosstab. We can see here that we have some cells with low base, which we can go through and identify. So that's a simple introduction to DataTile, crosstabs, and charting. Of course, everything that we've shown to you can be downloaded into PowerPoint, PDF, and Excel format, editable in case of PowerPoint, and also can be exported to your dashboards.